Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a lecture on thigh. So we will discuss muscles one by one. So thigh is basically divided into three compartments: anterior compartment, medial compartment, and posterior compartment. So now today we have to discuss its anterior compartment. So muscles of anterior compartment are mainly psoas major muscle, iliacus muscle, rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and vastus intermedius. These are collectively called the quadriceps femoris muscle. And then we have sartorius muscle and pectineus muscle. So we will discuss one by one. So starting with our pectineus muscle. So pectineus muscle will get origin from superior ramus of pubis. So this is our pubic bone and this is superior ramus. So pectineus muscle will get insert into the femur. So this is femur, the longest bone of lower limb. It will get its nerve supply from femoral nerve. ठीक है, pectineus की nerve supply is femoral nerve and its action is the flexion and adduction of thigh at hip joint. ठीक है, so next we will discuss our next muscle, which is iliacus muscle. So iliacus muscle, its origin is from the iliac crest, iliac fossa. So iliac crest, this is iliac crest or iliac fossa. So it will get inserted into the lesser trochanter of femur. This is greater trochanter and this is lesser trochanter. So it will get inserted into the lesser trochanter of femur. Again, its nerve supply is from the femoral nerve, and it will again get the flexion of thigh on trunk. ठीक है, its section is flexion of thigh. So next our muscle is sartorius muscle. So sartorius muscle is talar muscle, very important from exam point of view. Which muscle is called the talar muscle? So sartorius muscle or S-shaped muscle. So sartorius will get origin from anterior superior iliac spine. This is anterior superior iliac spine and it will get inserted into the medial surface of tibia. This is femur, the longest bone of lower limb. This is tibia and this is fibula. So it will get inserted into the medial surface of tibia. Again, its nerve supply is femoral nerve and its action is flexion and abduction and lateral rotation of thigh at hip joint. So next muscle is quadriceps femoris muscle. Quadriceps femoris muscle is the extensor of leg. So it consists of four main muscles, which are rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, and vastus medialis. So starting with the rectus femoris, combined we have discussed iliacus. Then we have to discuss psoas major muscle. So psoas major muscle will get origin from the lumbar vertebrae. ठीक है, these combined are called iliopsoas muscle. Iliacus and psoas major are collectively called the iliopsoas muscle. So psoas major will get origin from lumbar vertebrae and disc between them, and it will get inserted into the lesser trochanter of femur. Its nerve supply is from the lumbar nerves. ठीक है, and action is flexion at hip. So these are collectively called the iliopsoas muscle. So next we have to discuss the quadriceps femoris muscle. So quadriceps femoris में सबसे पहले जो important muscle है वो है rectus femoris. So rectus femoris will get origin from anterior inferior iliac spine, and it will get, these all muscles will get inserted into patella, and nerve supply is femoral nerve, and these will get action at extension of leg at knee joint. These are all quadriceps femoris muscles, or its action are extension of knee and flexion of hip. So next is vastus medialis. We have discussed rectus femoris, then next we have to discuss the vastus medialis. So vastus medialis कहाँ से आपका आएगा? Intertrochanteric line of femur. This is intertrochanteric line of femur. So it will get origin from there. Spiral line से origin लेगा और medial lip of linea aspera से लेगा, and then it will get insert again into patella through the patellar ligament. ठीक है, एक action again extension of leg at knee joint, and nerve supplies from the femoral nerve. Then this is vastus lateralis and this is vastus intermedius. So vastus lateralis आपका कहाँ से आएगा origin? It will get origin from lateral lip of linea aspera and it will get inserted into the same patella. Patella पे आप insert होना है, ठीक है, and its section is same, extension of knee and flexion of hip. So next our muscle is vastus intermedius. So vastus intermedius will again give origin from anterior and lateral surface of shaft of femur, and it will insert into patella. So action are again the same. So these are the muscles of anterior compartment of thigh. Thank you for watching. Good luck.